Unit 1 Science and Scientific Study. Lesson 1 Science and Scientific Study. Science consists of observing the world by watching, listening, observing, and recording. Science is curiosity and thoughtful action about the world and how it behaves. Anyone can have an ideas about how nature works. Some people thinks their idea is correct because it seems right or it makes senses. But for a scientist, this is not enough. The scientist will test the idea in the real world. An idea that predicts how the world works is called as hypothesis. If an idea or hypothesis correctly predicts how something will behave, we call it a theory. If an idea explains all the facts or evidence that we have found, we also call it a theory. Scientific method usually means a series of steps that scientists follow to discover how nature works. The process of observing physical and natural world by inferring these and concluding with predicting, classifying, evaluating, and analyzing is called scientific learning process. Field is science. Science deals with the study of physical and natural world. It has many branches which study different aspects of world. The main branches of science are described in brief here. 1. Biology. Biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of living beings and their behaviors. The people that study biology are called biologists. Biologists study about the characteristics, behaviors, anatomy, physiology, etc. of plants and animals. 2. Physics. Physics is the branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. The subject matter of physics includes mechanics, heat, light, other radiation, sound, electricity, magnetism, and the structure of atoms. The people that study physics are physicists who are making great contribution to the world. 3. Chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science concerned with the substances of which matter is composed, the investigation of their properties and reactions, and the use of such reactions to form new substances. The people who study chemistry are chemists. Safety measures in practical activities. Various practical activities are done in scientific learning. We have to follow some precautions while performing practical activities in laboratory or outside. Basically, science laboratory is the primary place where various practical activities are done. Scientific measurement. The process of quantifying physical quantities is the measurement. Measurement is very important in scientific learning. Units are used to measure the physical quantities. Scientific measurement is needed to draw the conclusions of various activities. The measurements are expressed in different ways. Metric prefix. In metric system of measurement, the bigger and smaller quantities are expressed in terms of prefixes. In metric system, prefixes like millit, micro, mono, etc. are used to express small quantities in kilo, mega, giga, etc. are used to express large quantities. These are called as metric prefix.